Hello guys, this is SMY. Today our topic is transformation. So let's start. Why we transform our equations or our formulas. So this is the first thing before starting transformation anything. This is the first thing we have to know, because sometimes we have formulas and we can't just get some of the values for it. Like I have one formula, name is it is x plus y is equals to c. So normally in a formula or a equation we have two things. On one side of equal we have our formula, and another thing is subject. So before starting we have to know what is formula and what is subject. So formula are those values which are known to us and by which we can find out our subject. What is subject? Subject is the unknown value of any equation or formula. So what next is this? Now just we can consider this x plus y is equals to c is our equation. So what we can do in it, like we have x plus y is equals to c. So over here c is our subject, that c is equals to x plus y. But if it could be happen like that, if we have the value of x is equals to 5 and c is equals to 2, but we don't have the value of y, if y is an unknown value. So in this case we have y is as our subject, but this equation, by this equation we cannot find the value of y. So we need to rearrange or transform this equation in that way that we can find the value of x, value of y for this. So for that we normally use the algebraic method to find out the to get a equation or rearranged equation which can help us to find our desired value or desired subject. Like over here what we do is simply that we'll subtract x from both sides. Like over here x plus y is equals to c. So if we are going to subtract x on the both sides, what we do, x, so we'll do is x on the both side plus y equals to c minus x. So what it comes, it just cancels over here both of x, and here it remains y is equals to c minus x. So now by this way we just transform this equation x plus c is equal x plus y is equals to c, and it just transform in a way that we get the it for y, that y is equals to c minus x. So it's a bit simple one. So we can confirm it how, that we have the value of x and c both. So just put the values in this. Y is equals to value of c is 2 and value of x is 5. So it's just going to minus. So what will be y? Y is equals to minus 3. So this is the simple method to get our desired equation, or desired the transformed equation. So let us go on the our next equation, that is maybe little bit hard to do or little bit difficult, but who are normally dealing with the equations and transforming equation, they can do it easily. It's also, we are also solving this by the method of algebraic method. So our equation is 2 no, it's not 2, it's t equals to 2 pi L upon G. So over here it's L upon G. So now in this we have the value of t, we have the value of 2 pi and G. Our subject is L. So what is our subject? Over here our subject is L. We don't have the value of L, and we have to transform this equation in a way that we can just get an equation which could find out the value of L. So in any equation, if you find square root from, so through algebraic method, you just can remove first of all this square root. So what we'll do, we'll just take a square root on the both side, like we just start transforming it. So we just take square root on both sides. T square is equals to, bracket open, 2 pi square root L upon G, now square. So what will be it? It will become t square equals 4 pi L upon G. So this is our and over here on pi it will be squared. So over here we get rid of that square root over here. So now what else we have to do? Now our main perspective is to make L our subject. So now we are going to make it L our subject. So we have to remove first of all this G from here. It should be here on the other side of the equal. So how we can do it? We just go and multiply both sides by G. So over here what we'll do, G by t square equals G by 4 pi L upon G. So this G will cancel by this, and over here there is no G, so it will not be cancelled, it will be multiplied with t square. So what will be our new equation? t square g is equals to 4 pi square L. That's so simple. Like what we have done over here. Just don't forget to write your steps. That what you have done taking a square on both sides, and what we have done over here, we have done that we multiplying both sides by g. It helps everyone and also for us to understand this, that what we have done in our steps. So please write this. It's helpful for others as well as with us. I don't have the space over here, so I'm just going to do it on the this side. So what our formula is, t square g is equals to 4 pi square L. So now what we have to do, we if we want just L to be alone on this side, we just need to get rid of now this 4 pi square. So what we'll do from the algebraic expression method, we'll just divide both sides by 4 pi square. So let's do it. T square g divide by 4 pi square and equals to 4 pi square L divided by 4 pi square. So over here this pi cancel with this pi and this 4 cancel with this 4, and what left just on our right hand side, it just left L. So now we get that this formula can give us the value of L, that if we have the time period, g is for gravitational constant, and this is 4 pi, we know the value. By this formula we can get the value of L. So we just get our subject L successfully, and we also get the formula to get L successfully. So our mission is fulfilled, and thanks for watching my video, and bye bye.